Welcome to FastAccounts.io. How to make the bundle of the products in Fast Accounts. In this video, we will discuss how to make a bundle. The business utilizes the bundle feature to offer a bundle to their clients by combining multiple items into one bundle or product. After login, navigate to the Products under the Inventory tab. Press the Add New button and select the bundle here. Mention the name of the bundle and the code will be auto-generated. If you want to add the code as your own choice, then refer to the following video. Select the category, sale information, and unit of the bundle. You can check the box of print details to take the bundle details on the prints, then select the products that you want to add in the bundle. After adding the products, press the Save and Close button. Then the bundle of the product is created, and you can utilize it in the sales. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.